YouTube just dropped a major interactive feature and didn't tell a soul. It's hidden right in your upload flow, and it's going to be a massive tool for your viewer retention. I'm just uploading my latest video, and there's something new that YouTube has added in the upload flow. It's a new feature for videos at the video level. Now, something you might be familiar with if you've ever done community posts, and it's something called quizzes. You can now add not one but multiple quizzes to your YouTube channel. Not a lot of information about it, but I'm going to show you a walkthrough. So let's jump on into my upload flow. I'm deep in the middle right now, and if you look at the screen here, we've got all the usual suspects: add subtitles, tagging products, adding an end screen, end cards, all the usual stuff. But you see here, marked with a nice blue, a new logo. Make your videos more interactive with quizzes. You can add up to 10 of these quizzes to a single video. This is a huge step up from the 5-card limit, suggesting YouTube really wants this to be used for educational and nuts and bolts style tutorials, where checking understanding is key. So I can jump into here right now and set up a quiz. It's a timed quiz, so I can pick a part of the video where I want the quiz to be relevant to the flow of the video. Ideally, just the way that the quizzes present themselves, they're a little bit hidden. The setup is straightforward. You enter your question, up to 4 answer options, and a quick explanation for the correct answer to help your viewers out. Actually, why don't we try this out right now? I placed a quiz on this video at this exact timestamp, so you can see how it works from the viewer's side. Here's how to find it. On mobile, swipe left on the comments card right now. That will reveal the active quiz for this video. If you're on desktop, click the info card, the eye icon up in the top corner. That will jump you straight to the bottom of the description where you can click to open the quiz. My question for you is, how many interactive quizzes can you actually add to a single video? Is it 1, 5, 10, or is it unlimited? Pause the video, go plug in your answer using those steps I just gave you, and then come right back and see if you got it right. I'll wait. All right, did you get it? The correct answer is 10. That's double the amount of standard info cards we've been limited to for many years. It's a huge win for those doing deep dives and tutorials. Before we get into the hidden place where YouTube hides your quiz data, if you're looking to level up your live stream setup, I've put together a full playlist of my live streaming gear essentials, from cameras to mics and software. You can find that link right in the description in the cards. Now here's the part that might trip you up. Once you save these quizzes, you might wonder where they went. After all, you might want to check the quiz results at some point. Currently, on desktop version of YouTube Studio, these quizzes are actually showing up under the Post tab in your content menu. And remember, quizzes are final once saved. If you spot a typo, you can't just edit the text. You'll have to go into that Post tab or the editor, delete the quiz, and recreate it. Since the overlay is a bit subtle, don't forget to give your audience a verbal cue or an on-screen prompt right before the quiz pops up, just like I demonstrated earlier. It'll do wonders for your engagement stats. If you want to keep up with more of these stealth updates to the platform, make sure to check out my YouTube Creator News playlist right here, or even catch me on Saturdays at 7:30 AM Eastern live, right here on this channel. Well, this is Doug, and I'll catch you later.